Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck sandals, and this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 43, and it has a regular fitment, and this one is in the Faded Khaki colorway. And there's some information and history of the Birkenstock brand in German as well as in English. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside and giving you a direct look inside the box with the Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck in the Faded Khaki colorway, and just taking a look at the underside of the box lid. There is some information about your first step into the world of Birkenstock. And there is a scale on the right hand side as well. And now let's lift up and out from the box the Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck 2-strap sandals and set them on the tabletop. Just taking a look and making sure there's nothing else left behind in the box packaging. Let's close it back up and setting the box to the side, so just setting the box on the left hand side of the table and just taking a look at the Birkenstock sandals on the tabletop, just giving you a clear and full view before I start handling it or them. So they're also available in a black and narrow fitments as well. So just giving you that full look nonetheless. And just setting the right sandal to the side as we focus on the left sandal. So giving you a look right here, top down, and doing a 360 rotation, so you have a full and complete view of this animal-friendly, vegan, fully synthetic sandals. And taking a look at the hang tags, it's right there once again, that mention of vegan on the left tag, and on the right and left reverse sides of the tags, giving you a look at the details and information about this vegan sandal. Okay, and taking some close-up looks at the overall construction and material. You can see the cork-like or cork midsole, and of course the bottom or sole with the Birk branding, and the upper with the Birko-Flor material, which is fully synthetic and vegan. And we can see that it does have a somewhat distressed or lightly distressed tang buckle for both straps. And taking a closer up look at the texture and grain of the Birko-Flor material. So right there you can see the leather-like graining, and of course the thickness of the material. You can see that there is an upper layer and main textile or fiber of the strap, and taking a look at the underside to give you some sense of the material. Gonna bend and press it and flex it as well, just so you have a better idea of the response, softness, firmness and pliability of the Birko-Flor material in the Nubuck finish. So taking a look once again further out, and of course the footbed of the Birkenstocks, with the vegan branding, as well as the sizing, €43, as well as the metric length, and having the regular fitment symbol, and of course the Birkenstock branding, and made in Germany. Okay, now let's go ahead and strap up so we have a better idea of the overall look of this classic two-strap sandal. We'll just leave the hang tags alone as we strap it up. So let's go with the middle position so we can see that there are 5 pinholes there, going with the middle position, and same with the forward or front strap. Front strap has 4 holes, just giving you a look right there. And with that, I will strap it at the second position in. And there, a better look at the sandal, the Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck in the Faded Khaki color. And taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe or sandal. And we can see that it does have a rather consistent design or pattern right throughout the tread of the sandal. And to give you some idea of the hardness, just pressing down, you can see that it does have a pretty hard design. And just tapping on it to give you a better sense of the material. And just taking a much closer in look, so you can see it does have the Birk branding repeating throughout the tread pattern. And let's do a flex and bend test to give you some idea of the pliability, flexibility and firmness of this sandal right there. So just bending with my hands, and you can see it does have quite a firm design. And to give you some idea of the hardness and material of the footbed as well, you can see that it is and does have quite a cupped design. And taking a look at the sandals from the back to give you some idea of the silhouette overall. And you can see the stamped or embossed Birkenstock branding on the inner side of the sandal. And now let's take a look at the right foot. So just setting the left sandal down, and now taking a look at the right sandal, and once again we see that Birkenstock branding embossed on that grained Birko-Flor Nubuck upper strap. And taking those close-up looks, you can see the various materials that make up this vegan sandal. And once again, taking a look at the footbed of the Birkenstock. And at the heel, once again, and of course, the sole of the sandal. And once again, let's strap it up, and with the same setup as the left foot as we did earlier. So just strapping through to the second pin position, and for the inner strap to the middle position. And just giving you a look at the hardware right there with the metal pin buckle or tang buckle fitment or fastening with the slightly distressed design, and just pushing through right there very simply, looping right through, and you can see that Birko-Flor Nubuck, very soft and pliable, and giving you once again a look on the underside with the slightly fibrous texture. And let's take a look at the pair together. So right there is the Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck in the Faded Khaki colour. And taking a look from the front to the back, from the toe to the heel, side by side. And the back as well, the heel directly behind, looking forward to give you some idea of the shape and height, and of course the overall silhouette of the sandals, and of course the bottoms or outsoles. So that's the Birkenstock Arizona Vegan Birko-Flor Nubuck sandals. Thanks for watching and happy walking!